How to fix TikTok not opening on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. As for TikTok to work smoothly, it is really important to have a proper working internet connection. See if that helps you in your issue, and if not, then launch the App Store on your device and then tap on the search bar and search for TikTok and make sure that the TikTok application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further, and this might help you in fixing your issue. If not, then launch the settings application again and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, scroll down and navigate to TikTok and tap on it, and further tap on the offload app option you see there and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Doing this will help you in freeing up storage used by the app and keep its documents and data safe, which might also help you in fixing the app issues. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the TikTok application. Here, tap on the remove app option and then tap on delete app and then on delete. Once deleted, go ahead and open App Store and reinstall the TikTok application again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then it also could be that the TikTok application server is down, so you can go ahead and check for TikTok server on your browser and see if the server is down. And if the server is down, then you will simply have to wait for the server to work. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix TikTok not opening. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.